in the bidding process also.
Unknown miscreants yesterday hurled stones and a petrol bomb at the residence of one Julie Lingdor at Mawbah, Badapathar, where many non-tribals reside as tenants. East Khasi Hills SP Sylvester Nongtnger told reporters that the incident was reported to the police in Jalupara around 7:30 a.m. on Thursday. No arrests have been made and investigation is so on. The SP added.
In charge of Jalupara informed that this morning at about 7:30 to 8, he came to know that somebody miscreant pelted stones, and after that they throw one petrol bomb in Jalupara area. Yes, that petrol bomb is a blast, but then no damage whatsoever. And in this connection, inquiry is still going on. And we'll do everything. We'll let student know on turn. We'll do everything. We'll check it out from all available sources, this and that.
The Hnyautrap Youth